Did you know, on average, an office employee spends 3.5 hours a day working on emails? That's a lot of time writing, reading, organizing, and scheduling. Kind of crazy how just a single email program takes up so much time and energy from us every day of the week. So, why not spend some time really getting to know your email? Microsoft Outlook is an overwhelmingly effective tool when you know how to use it. That's why, on Wednesday, February 21st, Stephanie Velasquez, our e-learning IT training specialist, is going to be hosting our next Big Byte webinar covering the topic of time-saving tips for organization and management in Microsoft Outlook. Stephanie is going to walk you through all of the incredible features of Microsoft Outlook that you didn't even know about, how to organize and prioritize emails, best practices for scheduling meetings, and intelligent ways to automate your email content. Sounds great, right? Well, mark your calendars then for February 21st at 2:30 p.m. Can't wait to see you there.